Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've prepared a fun and challenging English grammar quiz that will take you from beginner to intermediate to advanced level, all in one video. This quiz will test your grammar, teach you the correct rules, and help you understand mistakes you didn't even know you were making. And guess what? You only need to choose A, B, C, or D, and I'll explain everything clearly after each question. So get your notebook ready, stay focused, and let's find out your true grammar level. Let's start with the beginner round. I'll give you a sentence with 4 options. Choose your answer before I reveal the explanation. Choose the correct sentence. She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. She going to school every day. She gone to school every day. The correct answer is B. She goes to school every day. In the present simple tense, he or she or it takes s or es after the verb. So we say she goes, not she go. Filling the blank. I blank a new phone. Have, has, am have, having. Which one is the correct answer? Option A. Have. I have a new phone. With I or you or we or they, we use have. Has is only for he or she or it. Choose the correct option. They blank playing football. Is, am, are, be. Which option fits in the sentence? Absolutely, it's are. They are playing football. Present continuous requires am or is or are plus verb with ing form. They always takes are. They are playing. Filling the blank. This is my friend. Name is Ali. His, her, he, him. What do you think? Which one is the correct? Yes, option A is correct. His name is Ali. We need a possessive adjective here. His or her or my or their. These are the possessive adjectives. So beginner level done. Great job. If you got 3 or 4 correct, your basics are strong. Now let's level up to intermediate. Things get a little tricky from here. Choose the correct sentence. I didn't went to the party. I didn't go to the party. I not go to the party. I didn't going to the party. Have a think and choose the correct answer. Yes, it's option B. I didn't go to the party. After didn't, we always use the base form of the verb, didn't and then go. Because this is the past simple tense. Didn't go is correct. Didn't went is wrong. Now fill in the blank. She has lived here blank 2010. for, since, from, ever. You have few seconds. Choose the answer. Yes, it's B. Since. She has lived here since 2010. Use since with specific dates or times. Use for with duration. 2010 is a specific year, since 2010. Or if you are using the duration or you are mentioning the duration, so use for, like for 15 years. Choose the best option. Neither of the boys blank present today. Are, were, is, be. What do you think? Which one really fits here? Okay, so the right one is option C. Neither of the boys is present today. Neither is always treated as singular, so the verb must also be singular. Neither is. Some people often pronounce it like neither and neither. So both are correct. It's up to you which pronunciation you prefer. Correct the sentence. He is married blank a doctor with by to from. Pause the video and think the better answer. He is married to a doctor. The correct preposition is married to. He is married to a doctor. Intermediate level done. Well done. You are doing great. Now it's time for the final round, advanced grammar. These questions really separate fluent speakers from learners. Choose the correct sentence. If I will see him, I will tell him. If I see him, I will tell him. If I saw him, I will tell him. If I would see him, I will tell him. What do you think? Which one is correct sentence? Absolutely, it's option B. If I see him, I will tell him. In first conditional, the rule is if plus present simple, and in the next sentence, will plus verb. Never use will after if. Fill in the blank. I wish I blank taller. Am, will be, were, would be. Have a think and choose the correct option. Correct answer is C. Were. I wish I were taller. For unreal or imaginary situations, we use were, not was. I wish I were. This is called subjunctive mood. Choose the best option. Hardly had he reached home. Blank. It started raining. When, then, that, while. Pause the video and have a think. The correct answer is A. When. Hardly had he reached home when it started raining. Correct the sentence. Each of the students blank responsible are, were, is B. The correct answer is C. Is. Each of the students is responsible. Each is always singular, even if followed by plural nouns. So we use is. So now we have the last question of the advanced level. Choose a grammatically best sentence. Despite of the rain, we went outside. Despite the rain, we went outside. Although of the rain, we went outside. Even though rain, we went outside. Have a think and choose best answer. It's option B. Despite the rain, we went outside. We never say despite of. The correct form of the sentence is despite plus noun. And that's it. Amazing job completing all 3 levels of the grammar quiz. Tell me in the comments which level was the hardest for you, beginner, intermediate, or advanced? If you enjoyed this quiz, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English lessons. And remember, grammar isn't about memorizing rules. It's about understanding patterns that help you communicate clearly and confidently. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.